Hi guys, today we will talk about three of the most important formulas in Excel: SUMIF, SUMIFS and VLOOKUP. I think that, in my opinion, is something that you must know inside the Excel if you want to work with that tool. Almost everyone that works with Excel knows these three formulas. So I hope everyone enjoys the video, and let's begin. First of all, let's talk about SUMIF. SUMIF is a formula that summarizes things. Let's suppose that we have a base of suppliers, and our suppliers are Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi. Let's suppose that you want to summarize what they sold to us. They sold to us. So Apple sold to us 14, Samsung 92, and Xiaomi 12. I need to summarize that kind of information. So what we do to do that summarizing formula? First of all, we do a table inside what we are summarizing. In that case, we are summarizing by our suppliers, and then we do equals the name of the formula, that is SUMIF, open, and we do three values. First of all, range, second, criteria, and the third one is sum range. Let's do the first. Is the range. The range is the name of the suppliers. Is the column C, and do the separators. The criteria, it's the value. We are searching for Apple in that case. And then we do the sum range, that is the value. Then we do enter, and we have our formula. Is what we are searching for. The second one is SUMIFS. Different of SUMIFs can work with more than one condition. When you talk about SUMIF, it's just one condition that you can search for. So it's Apple and just it. In that case, we want to find the information. We want to summarize the information of the supplier name and the date. We have this true information inside this table. Let's try it. We do the SUMIFS formula. The sum range is different of SUMIFS. The sum range is the last one, and then we do the criteria range and the criteria. Let's do the sum range. That's the values. Criteria is the name, and let's see the criteria. Here's the criteria range. Okay, we put a divider here, and then we go to criteria range 2 and criteria 2. That is date with date. And let's see what happens. We find the number. Apple sold in December 1910. Is correct information. Let's code. Let's freeze the columns. Here I must freeze the B12, just the B, and here the 13. and then we can use it. Oh, if we don't do that kind of stuff, we don't freeze, what will happen is this. You see that because they aren't freezed, the criteria goes to the bottom and they must stay in the same way. So I freeze the row. You can see in that way in another one that they, if the row are freezed, stays the same. Okay. Let's talk about the last one, that is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is different of the Sumif formulas. When we talk about VLOOKUP, we are finding a classification or finding something inside that name. Let's show an example. Try a VLOOKUP. I want to bring us the group. So Apple has a group, Samsung has a group, and Xiaomi has a group. Let's bring these groups. So the first one is the lookup value. The lookup value is what we are searching for. In that case, it's Apple. Table array is the table. In that case, is C and D, column C and D. Why I bring just the C? The first column is C. If you bring B, it won't work because must be the first. What we are searching for must be the first column. So is the C2D, and then I bring what information I want. I want the 2 information because it's the second column. If I bring the 1, they will bring me the C column. They will find Apple and then bring me Apple. If I put the 2, they will find Apple and bring me the group 1. So we have the information. Let's talk about something that we cannot use. If I change that formula to C to F, let's change it. C to F, and do the column for that is value, they will find the first Apple and then bring me the value that is 10. They will search the Samsung and bring me the first value that is 50. And then we will bring the first value of Xiaomi, that is 12. Let's show an example. Oh, every time you use 0 in the last one. We are finding the first number. So we cannot use the VLOOKUP formula to do a summarize. We must do to find a classification. And that's why you cannot use VLOOKUP to numbers. It's just to classification. That case is 3 because it's dates, and 2 is group. Okay. And that's it, guys. I hope that everyone enjoys the video. And in doubt, you can send me a message or do a commentary. I will respond. And thanks, guys.